What's up, Jake Paulers? I'm Jake Paul. This is the Team 10 house. Got my yellow on. We keep dabbing on them haters. Here we go. Hey guys, it's actually Giovanni here. It's not Jake Paul, but I'm calling you guys Jake Paulers. Jake Paulers. Oh, guys, there's something I need to tell you. Look, or I not tell you, but show you. Look, if you put this really close, it looks like there's a giant thing there. Doesn't it? Look. Yeah. That's my dad's car. Look how sweet that is. That's not actually my dad's car. It's my blood shark. Oh, I don't know why I'm sitting at my Team 10 house. Oh, I should be going to one of my other friends' house. Wait, hold on. Hey, Chance! Wanna go somewhere? Don't know. Are you kidding me? Tessa, you wanna go somewhere? Alessa, you wanna go somewhere? No. Why does everyone not wanna go anywhere? Martinez twins, you wanna go somewhere? No. What the fuck? I didn't mean to curse. The heck? I'm not allowed to curse anymore because my mom said no. No! Oh, wait a minute, guys. See that girl up there? That's my brother Logan Paul's girlfriend. I should steal Logan Paul's girlfriend, my brother. I should steal Logan's girlfriend. Man! I wish Logan was here. Oh, God! My best friend's here. I'm gonna let him in the Team 10 house. But I'll see you guys in the Team 10 house. Guys, I had to run out really fast. You can tell my light was not on. Here, close up. Look. My light was not on like that. My parents are upstairs. They don't even know. They're coming out. Guys, I'm right behind Blood Shark. Guys, they left. Let's go. Wait, hold on, guys. Guys, I have bad news. Everyone in Team 10 is gone. They said they don't want to be in this Team 10 stuff anymore. Yeah. I'm gonna have to end this video. If you didn't smash that like button, and it's every day, bro. Peace.